And finally, tonight, there is one reason American companies quietly love hiring Indians. Not just because Indians are intelligent, not just because Indians are technically skilled, but because Indians are trained from childhood to tolerate pressure, sacrifice, discomfort, and to keep on going no matter how difficult life becomes. And tonight, more Indians living in the United States, they are beginning to realize something deeply uncomfortable, that loyalty may actually be getting exploited by the system that they trusted the most. Wait, can you think about the journey of typical Indian migrant? A student leaves India after parents spent years of savings, loans, or family assets on foreign education. The pressure starts immediately. Study harder, get the internship, crack Silicon Valley, secure the visa, build a life abroad. Failure is never presented as an option. And then comes the first American tech job. Suddenly, the entire family back home feels proud of you. Photos from New York, California, Seattle, it becomes symbol of success. Relative, they start saying, he made it. She settled in America. But behind those social media photos, reality, it hits hard. Longer working hours, constant fear of layoff, midnight call with the manager, weekend work, immigration anxiety, and the terrifying understanding that one bad meeting can destroy years of sacrifice. Because unlike many American workers, thousands of Indians on H-1B visas, they are tied directly to their employer. Their visa depends on the company. Their legal stay depends on the company, while their children's future often depend on the company. Some are stuck in green card backlog that could take decades to clear. And companies do understand this very, very well. Well, they know that many Indian workers, they cannot easily quit toxic workplace. They know that their employees, they are less likely to openly challenge the management. They know that many immigrants will keep on working through exhaustion because losing a job in America is not just a career setback for them. It can become an immigration emergency, and that is why many Indians, they quietly accept the conditions, others refuse. They continue working even during burnout. They stay online late into the night because teams are spread across time zones. They answer every single email during family dinner. They skip vacation because project cannot stop. And slowly, they stop working because of their career. They work because of their survival. Well, the psychological pressure, it becomes even worse because many Indians abroad, they feel trapped between two worlds. In America, they constantly fear instability. In India, they fear judgment. Returning home after years abroad, it is emotionally difficult for many immigrants because society often treats America as the ultimate success story. So, even when people are unhappy, exhausted, or mentally drained, many continue pretending that everything is fine. And this is where the emotional exploitation, it becomes brutal because many Indians, they genuinely believe loyalty would protect them. They believe that hard work would guarantee a lot of security to them. They believe that sacrificing their personal life for the company, it would eventually lead to stability, green card, and peace of mind. But now the AI era, it is changing everything. The same companies that once desperately recruited Indian engineers are now aggressively cutting jobs. Meta, Amazon, Google, Microsoft. Layoffs are spreading across Silicon Valley. Workers who spent years building systems, coding products, and helping companies grow are suddenly discovering that they can be replaced within minutes by the reconstructing email. And let's be honest, for many Indians, that realization, it feels deeply personal tonight. Because Indian immigrants, they do not just give these companies their labor. They give them their youth. They give them their health, their family time, their emotional energy. They miss their wedding, funeral, festival, important moment back home while chasing the American dream.